Hi, in this video I want to show you how you can connect a 3.5 drive like this one. This is a SAS drive, but what I will show you will also work with SATA drive, okay, to your Mac computer, and also how to format the drive in case your Mac is not able to recognize it. So there's many of these on the market. These are docks for 3.5 and 2.5 discs hard drive like this one. Basically, one of these cost I think around 30 bucks on Amazon. I'll put links in the description if you want to get one. These even has 2 slots, so you can put 2 of these at the same time. It's important to know if you have a SAS drive or SATA drive. Usually it says on it, this is a SAS drive, so I will need one of these that is compatible with SAS drive. If you're using a SATA drive, like I think 99% of people, well, a SATA drive dock like this one will do the job. I simply have to take the drive, insert it inside, make sure to align the connectors properly with the connectors that are right over here. I push it, and then I will turn on this device. There is a switch to turn on. On your Mac, you may get asked to allow this dock to connect, so press allow. Open Finder, and then right over here where you see locations, you should see your drive appearing. Sometimes it takes a minute at first so it appears, so just be patient, okay? Wait at least a minute to give it a chance to connect. If nothing is appearing, it may mean that you need to format this drive first. How do you do this on a Mac? Let me close this. You're gonna go on the magnifying glass, click on it, and you're going to type disk. We need to open disk utility. It's a program that comes included with your Mac. You don't have to download anything. So I'll click on disk utility. It will open and I should see my drive over here. So over here on the left side, you're going to see your Macintosh HD. This is simply the hard drive inside of your laptop or Mac computer. And where you see external, you're going to see your drive you just have connected. If you click on it, this is a Time Machine drive I'm using, so that's why you see this. Okay, once you click on it, and if you want to format this drive, you're gonna go in Erase. You can give this a new name, and where you see format, you can click here and format it in exactly, the format you wish, exFAT, AP, FS, like it is right now. And at the end, press the erase. Obviously, everything will be erased from the drive, and it will be formatted for your Mac, and your Mac should see it afterwards. Before removing the drive, you need to eject it. So over here, you should click on this, or you should simply drag it in the garbage bin. Thanks for watching. Again, if you want to get one of these from Amazon, I'll put links down below in the description. As I said, this one you can plug 2 of them at the same time, and I think the new version is all black. It doesn't have this red in case you don't like the color red. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.